I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm doing a blue line makeup look, and if you don't know what that is, then keep on watching. So today's makeup isn't necessarily beginner friendly unless you are not afraid of playing with colors. So I'm using the same color, but I'm using different shades of the same color. And to achieve this makeup look, I am going to be using a flat brush, a small one. If you are really not secure in your makeup skills, use a smaller one than this for more precision. And I'm going to be using this one on all of the colors. I'm just going to be wiping off any excess product onto a paper towel in between, just so that I don't have to go and find a new brush every single time. I can just use the one I'm having in my hand for efficiency. So what are we going to do today? Well, we are going to create a blue lined makeup. And it is exactly what it sounds like. It's blue lines. I want to start off by creating the shape I want to fill in with these lines. So I'm going to be using the darkest shade of blue first, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Constellation, and I'm using Neptune, this one right here. And what I'm going to be doing with this color is I am going to be in the outer corner or about halfway. I don't want to go beyond the halfway point. Then I'm going to angle it out and then create a little nice, what people would use as a cut crease, but I'm not making a cut crease. And I'm going to make the blue line all the way around and wing it out to the side. I'm doing that on both sides. And that's why I want to use a thin brush, because I want to make a line. And then you want to go in with the next color and color on the inside of this, creating a line, not filling it. And I'm using the same eyeshadow palette, the Makeup Revolution's Constellation, and I'm going in with Saturn, which is this sparkly one right here. I then want to go in with W7's Sherbet Pop, and I want to use Frozen, which is this color right here. And I'm creating a line on the inside of this one as well. And then you want to go in with the first color, the Neptune, and just very, very slightly where there is an opening. There's only one thing I want you to blend, and so I'm taking my Essence Eye Blender brush that looks like this, and I am blending just underneath. Then you want to go ahead and curl your lashes. And then I'm going to be putting mascara only on my upper lashes, and I'm taking Maybelline's the Colossal that looks like this. And if you think it's a little too harsh in the inner corner of your eye, don't worry, because the highlighter would kind of blend that out. So I am taking the NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette, and I'm taking the shade Purple right here. And I'm taking a big fluffy brush. And then I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush. And then you take a really small brush and use the same highlighter, but just apply it in the inner corner of your eye. And then you want to take your setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix. So this is the finished look, and it's a little bit dramatic but not too much, and obviously this can be done with any color and in any order that you want to do. So that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!